Welcome to Envision Click-to-Coach training. In this video, I'll show you how to use evaluation template libraries. An evaluation template library contains reusable template elements, which make it easy to build new evaluation templates from content that has already been created. Reusing existing content makes your templates more consistent and saves a lot of time. Let's say that you want to reuse the content in the high-impact customer service template. To do this, we need to first save it as a library. So we'll right-click and duplicate the template, and then select the new copy and right-click to edit it. We'll check this box to save it as a library, and I like to change the name to indicate that it is now a library. And we'll save the new library. We get a note confirming the change. We'll click Cancel to go back to the main page. Our new library is now listed in the Libraries section, along with the other existing libraries. Now we can add objects from the new library to any editable evaluation template, or we can quickly create a new one. Let's make a new evaluation template. And we'll name it something intuitive. And we'll choose a scoring type. I'm choosing Scored. Now we can access the existing template libraries, including our new one, by clicking the Library button. Here's the drop-down list of all the libraries that match the scoring type we chose. We select the library we just created, and now here's all the content we can use. Now we decide what content we want to import. Let's bring in the entire closing category. I hover my cursor right over that category, right-click, and select Copy. And instantly, the category and all its questions, responses, values, and settings appear in our new template. We can make edits or add additional objects. We can edit the wording or the scoring, or we can reuse everything as is. Now let's take a category from a different library and copy it in. Let's take this one, and this category looks good. Alright, now we have two categories and their questions in our new evaluation template. It's important to note that each imported item gets added to the bottom of the new template, so we may want to change the order of these categories by using the arrows. We can delete or edit items, such as this question that I'm going to delete because we have an entire category for the closing. We can also pull individual questions into the bottom category of our new template. However, since we can't move questions from one category to another, the desired category must be at the bottom of the template before we import the question. Let's move the call handling category down to the bottom of the template so we can add a question to it. Then we can hover over the individual question and right-click to copy it into the bottom of the last category. Let's scroll down to the bottom. And here's the question we just copied into the template all the way at the bottom. Now let's scroll all the way back up and move the closing category back down to the end of the template. When we're finished making changes, we can save the new template and it will function just like an evaluation template that we built from scratch. In this video, you have learned how to create a template library from an existing template, import entire categories or individual questions into a new template from a template library, and edit imported content and move items up or down. After watching this video, you're ready to start creating and using evaluation template libraries.